This is Dr. Barnett. My patient Maxine is a 73-year-old school teacher who is kind enough to share her surgical experience and recovery. Maxine is a bright, very active woman who, like many of my patients, felt that her appearance did not reflect who she was and how she felt. She was interested in a change, but concerned that the result would be pulled, tight, and unnatural. She returned to work 11 days after surgery and 2 days later came to my office to share her experience both in surgery, after surgery, and with our office.
"13 days ago.
13 days. And when did you go back to work?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. And you felt comfortable doing that?
I felt comfortable as soon as I realized that nobody noticed. There was only one student who noticed, and she kind of hovered around my desk and said, you look younger. So I am an extremely active 72-year-old who is a lot younger inside than my outside was showing. I'm just very, very down to earth, very casual dresser, and I really never thought that a facelift was going to be anything that I would be able to see in my future. You had suggested that I do my chin and my eyes, and I decided not to do that because I was comfortable with that part of the aging process. It didn't bother me. I wasn't trying to look like a 30-year-old. I wanted to be me, but a more refreshed version, a more confident version. And I knew that the neck would do that for me because I spent so many minutes in front of the mirror, pulling back my neck, pulling up my jowls. And I knew that was what I wanted to focus on. I never even felt pressured to do the facelift. It was such a comfortable, the surroundings were so comfortable. The people that work here are so comfortable. Nobody pressures you to do anything. And I'm surprised you even did the surgery. I think I canceled 3 different times. Once I was legitimately sick. The other times I was so afraid. I never thought I would do it. I was so fearful because of all the bad results that I had seen. I even went as far as following a bad facelift around Bed Bath & Beyond because I was so sure that that's what I was going to look like. And it really wasn't until my pre-op when Dr. Barnett said to me, "You're going to look like you without this." And this is what I hid. I hid my neck under turtlenecks for the past few years. And when he said that I was going to still be myself, but a better version, I knew it's what I wanted to do. Absolutely. Absolutely. When I finally decided it was time to do it, I really had very few questions, and Lori was always available. If she wasn't available that moment, she was available 5 minutes later. But always called me back, always addressed any of my questions. And as I said, I never thought I was going to do this. And what pushed me over the edge was you saying to me, "You're going to look like you without this." And I said, "Okay, we're doing it."
So there really isn't. So this is now at between 6 and 7 weeks. Okay, and your neck looks great. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on the incision on the ear. I can't really with the camera, but that's Okay, good. And you can turn back towards me again.
No one has noticed.
No.
And that's exactly what I wanted.
Yes, but your neck feels better. You feel better.
Oh, there's no comparison.
No.
There's no I feel free. I look like me, only better.
Mm-hmm.
I look like me 20, 25 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
I look like I feel on the inside. On the inside, I feel 40 or 50. Chronologically, I'm going to be 73.
Yeah.
But I still look exactly like me.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like I got myself back again. If I had to down the line, I would do something with my eyes,
Mm-hmm.
which is something you had suggested.
Right.
But quite honestly, I was so fearful about doing anything. So I thought, okay, I'll do this procedure, but oh my God, let's not do any more.
Yeah.
I trust you with anything you would do or anything I would want to have you do.
Okay.
That's the kind of trust I have in you. You get to know your patients, and you get to know their comfort levels too. So I think that's very, very important, because I told you when I first walked in here, I never had any intention of going through with this surgery. The very last thing you said to me at the pre-op was, "You're going to look like you without this." And I went, yeah, he gets it. It's something I would do again. And I was so happy to know that I was even going to look better. So that was fun. Oh my God. Every day, I'm going to get kind of emotional, but every day when I wake up, I feel like I have my life back. I want to go in front of a mirror. I smile at myself. I don't hide from my reflection. You literally have given me my life back.